There's no question. Dolphins are smarter than humans as they play more. Please recommend clown action!
Start by pumping up your 260 Caribbean blue balloon and tie a knot. Leave a 16 centimeter tail. Start by making a 3 centimeter bubble, followed by a 4 centimeter bubble, and tie them together. This makes the nose of the dolphin. Now make 2 4 centimeter bubbles and twist them together. Now make one more 4 centimeter bubble. And to secure this, open up the pair of the 4 centimeter bubbles you made previously and push this 4 centimeter bubble into it. So now you have 3 4 centimeter bubbles together. This makes the head of the dolphin. Now make a set of 2 3 centimeter bubbles and repeat it again, so make 2 3 centimeter bubbles. This makes the side fin of the dolphin. Now make another set of 2 3 centimeter bubbles for the top fin. Now let's secure the nose of the dolphin by pulling the nozzle and tying it into where the fins are. So now that the nose is closer to the head. Now we're going to make the body. So squish up your balloon a little to give the dolphin its iconic little curve and make a 10 centimeter bubble. Now using whatever length of balloon you have left, split it into half and tie it together. Then squish those 2 halves into 2 loop twists to make the tail. Hide the knot if you need to. And the twisting part is complete. Now grab a white paint marker and draw in 2 circles on the head for the eyes. Get a black marker and outline the eye. And give it some eyelashes. Now we're going to use a blue, or you can use whatever color you want, to color in the eyes. And your dolphin is complete.
Well, One Balloon Dolphin. Thanks for watching. Just comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.